Welcome to the Ampai Smart Plug Google Home Setup and Control tutorial. Before we start, please ensure that you have downloaded the Ampai app and added your device to it. Also, make sure that your network is 2.4 GHz and not 5 GHz, as the smart plug is not compatible with 5 GHz networks. Step 1. Open the Ampai app and go to the Me interface. Click on the Google icon to add the third-party voice service. Step 2. Click on Obtain to get the use off code and copy it. Step 3. Open the Google Home app and click on the device icon to access your settings. Step 4. Scroll down to All Settings and click on Home Control. Step 5. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner to add a device. Step 6. In the search bar, type Ampai Smart and click on the Ampai icon. Step 7. Paste the use off code you copied earlier and tick the policy. Then click Link Now. Step 8. You can now control your smart plug through the Google Home app. Step 9. To control the smart plug with voice commands, say Hi Google, turn off the desk lamp.
You got it, turning off the desk lamp.
Hi Google, turn on the desk lamp.
Okay, turning on the desk lamp.
That's it. You can now enjoy the convenience of controlling your Ampai smart plug with Google Home.